The agency has been contracted to eliminate 6 individuals guilty of committing brutal war crimes during the siege of Sarajevo. As private military contractors for the Cicada Corporation, they are linked with mass killings of civilians, particularly the massacres at Markel and the extended sniper campaign. The notorious Sarajevo 6 have managed to avoid the International Criminal Tribunal since the mid-1990s. Our client would now like an alternative fate to catch up with them. Opportunities for elimination will appear over the coming year in multiple locations across the globe. Your first target is Scott Sarno, Director of European Operations for Cicada. Sarno is rarely without a full military backup, so his attendance at the Sanguine fashion show will provide multiple opportunities to eliminate the target in a lower than normal security setting. Our client will provide full intelligence on the first target, March 11th. The agency will notify you as soon as the exact location of the remaining targets is ascertained. These targets are lethal, observant, and highly trained, but nothing you can't handle. Good luck, 47. Welcome to Paris, 47. The Palais de Villesca is hosting the fashion event of the year, and your target is on site to supervise Cicada security for Russian oligarch Viktor Novikov. Security is high, and the target is likely to be highly suspicious of anything out of the ordinary. He's also sure to know each member of his team personally, so be careful when approaching him. Good hunting, 47.
Look, there he is. That's Nova.
Still no answer. What's going on up there? They know, okay? They know what we're up to. We've caught Haley and we're come here and rub Novikov's nose in it, Valerie. No. Victor and I are going to negotiate.
Oh, come on, give me...
Can't have too much security around.
Hey, all respect to you.
Let the pros do their job, okay?
Hey man, state your business here. What's up?
Hey, better safe than sorry, right?
brother, what's up?
Yeah, our shift is not done, okay? We still need the emergency delivery. Should be here soon. Come on. Pays well. Your food has been eaten by more famous people tonight than in any other restaurant you can dream of, so...
Wow. Okay, you like catering. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. You seem to have forgotten something.
Target eliminated. The money has been wired to your account.